Today we're cooking shrimp with our Cajun style seasoning. Alright, so we're going to do some Cajun shrimp here. Now, a trick I learned a few years ago was to take all of your shrimp, put it in ice cold salt water for about 30 minutes. This gives a nice rinse to the shrimp. We're actually going to give it one more rinse after that rinse. Alright, so that's good there. We're going to turn our pan on here to medium-high. Give that a minute to heat up. So part of that clean taste, a way to describe it, is it gives the shrimp almost a silky texture to them, which just makes them that much tastier when you go to eat them. Alright, so we got our pan on the stove here. We're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of butter. Just like that. Move it around, melt it down just a little bit. And then we're using the butter for flavor, but to give it a little bit higher of a smoke point and doesn't burn, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Probably about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then once that's all in the pan, we're going to move it around together. Get it all mixed in together. Really good. And at this point our heat should be on medium to medium low. Butter and olive oil are all mixed in together here. Alright, we're going to start adding our shrimp. We're going to add them first here. And here just a little bit of sizzling, which is great. Alright, so they're all in the pan there. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this bowl. Alright, so we got these going along nicely. Now, shrimp cook pretty fast in the pan, and you definitely don't want to overcook them. Kind of some of the ways to know that it's about done, which we're not there yet, but they'll turn pink on both sides. Once you flip them, it will lose their translucent color. Another way too is you'll see that they'll close down from a kind of an open U to more of a C shape. And just a dusting of our Cajun style seasoning here. That looks really good. And we're going to go ahead and flip them all now. So, one of my favorite things about our Cajun seasoning that makes it special is it's got just a hint of orange in there. It's also a lot less salt than a lot of the other Cajun seasonings out there. And it just gives you a lot more flavor, and it's not overwhelming saltiness. You can always add salt to your food. You can't really take it out once it's in there. So, you can cook with our Cajun seasoning. And if you want to add a little bit of salt, you can. Alright, so we got this cooked side up. These look great. They're all pink. And then we're going to take the Cajun seasoning to the other side of these shrimp here. Doesn't need a whole lot, just a nice light coating. These are looking really good. Gotcha. We use Florida citrus in all of our seasonings. This Cajun seasoning has Florida oranges in it. They're dehydrated, of course, but They're in the background there when you taste it, but it's really nice just for that little pop of citrus. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give these another flip. This fresh coat of seasoning. We want that to hit the pan for a little bit. These are looking really tasty. And one thing that's great about all of our Merman's Revenge seasonings is we use clean ingredients. There's no preservatives, no fillers, and no chemicals. So we have a perfect C-shaped here, curled around, just enough seasoning to give it a little flavor but not take away from anything else going on with it. These are all finished. We're going to go ahead and pull them off and get ready to enjoy. Alright, these look really good. We have the tail on. Easy to eat. So if you wanted to make a little sauce out of this, you can add some butter, a little bit of chicken stock or shrimp stock if you have it, and it's a fantastic addition to pasta or any other dish you want to make.